Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to apply for the Chase Auto Loan. It's very easy and simple, guys. First, you need to actually check your credit score. Okay, before applying, it's always a good idea to check your credit score. So the better your credit, the better your chances of getting a competitive rate. Then you need to make sure you actually have the required documents ready. Okay, you'll need your proof of income. For example, your pay stubs, your tax returns, things like that, right? Proof of residence, you need to have a utility bill, lease agreement. You could even go ahead and use your bank statement if you have another one, right? And you can also go ahead and need a government issued ID. You can use your driver's license or passport and also vehicle details. So if you're purchasing from a dealer or private seller, you need to go ahead and do that as well. Next, guys, what you need to do is visit the Chase Auto Loan application page. You can do this from the Chase website or the Chase mobile app. And then you just go to the auto loan section and select apply now. And then you just go to fill out the application, okay? Enter your personal information like name, address, and date of birth. Just provide your financial information, including your income and employment details. And then just go ahead and enter your vehicle information, if applicable, such as make, model, year, things like that. And then choose a loan term that works best for you. Maybe 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, 7 years, right? Then, guys, you just go to review and submit your application. Just double check the details you've entered. And once everything looks good, just go ahead and hit submit to send your application. And then you just need to wait for review because Chase will have to check out your application and credit history. And typically, guys, you'll receive a decision within minutes. And if approved, you'll also get a confirmation email within the loan details. Okay. And you'll get the next steps with the loan details as well. And if approved, of course, you'll need to sign the loan agreement. So you can do this either online or in person. And once signed, Chase will disperse the funds to you or the car dealer directly. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. I'll see you in the next one.